everyone, and welcome back to Faith and Flower. If you're new, my name is Robin, and today I'm going to show you guys my really simple laundry routine. We have a family of 4. I have 2 boys that are college age now, and so most of the time we have 3 at home, but right now my son is home for a Christmas vacation and we're back to 4, and this is what I've done ever since my boys were really small. I only do laundry 2 days a week. I take one day to do all of the clothes, and the other day I do sheets and towels and anything else. I know a lot of moms would disagree and they prefer to do a load of day or some other method, and that's fine. I think you should just figure out what works for you. The reason that I like to spend just 2 days a week on laundry is because I have more of a feeling of accomplishment when I do it that way. I try to get everything washed, folded, and put away in those 2 days, and it helps because my family knows if they need something washed, they need to get it into me on those days, and they will have it washed and put away and ready for when they need it. Now, of course, I did have to make some exceptions. When you have kids, if they play sports, you might need to wash sports uniforms more than just a couple days a week, or, random things happen and you have to make an exception to that. Another reason why this system really works for me is because I like to divide our laundry into 4 different loads. And so I do a hot water wash, a warm water wash, a cold water wash, and then a delicate wash. And this way I have full loads when I go to do the laundry, and that saves a lot of water and electricity. As I'm sorting the clothes, I look them over for any stains that need to be treated. Favorite stain remover is this one from Method, and I found that it's really effective even on stains that have been there for a few days. Of course, if I have a bad stain, I do try to treat it right away, but every once in a while something escapes me and makes it into the pile and it doesn't get treated for several days, but this product really does a good job of getting out just about everything I've tried it on. Both of my boys sort their own laundry into the laundry sorter that I have here in the laundry room, and I will sort mine and my husband's laundry. I do my delicate wash last, and I usually pile that on top of the washing machine, so that's what you can see sitting there. The last couple of months I have been using a homemade laundry detergent. It's all natural, and it's actually a modification of a recipe that I used to use years ago. If you guys have been watching my channel very long, you know how much I love products that have a great smell, and so I was able to figure out how to modify the recipe that I had to make my clothes smell really great. And I'm a real Method laundry detergent fan, and so I still use their fabric softener, and that's what I'm using here. You guys have probably seen a million different recipes for homemade laundry detergent, but if you're interested in what I'm using, let me know in the comment section below, because I'd love to make a video about how I make this. Like I said, it's all natural and it is the best laundry detergent. It really is better than any commercial product that I've used. It's also super economical. This big batch will last a family of 4 for about a year, and all of the ingredients were under $30. You only need a tablespoon per wash load, and it's perfectly safe for HE machines. I do still use fabric softener for a lot of my laundry loads, and the one that I love is the Method one in the ginger mango scent. And just for fun, when I had an empty bottle, I stripped the label off, added my own label just to make it cute in my laundry room. Another product that I really love is the Odor Cleanse Sport Laundry Additive. This video is not sponsored by Odor Cleanse. I did do a sponsored video in the past for them, but I really like this product. And now that we have the puppies, I'm finding that it works great for their things too. I always have my discount code for Odor Cleanse in the description box below, so if you guys are interested in checking out that product, make sure you use my link. I also really like using these wool dryer balls, and I get these from the Grove Collaborative, and you can buy them from several different sources, but they're great in the dryer. You can use them in place of fabric softener. In fact, I do that lots of times with a little bit of essential oil, but they really speed up the drying time of your clothes, and that saves a lot of electricity. Like folding our laundry either in our bedroom or in the living room where I can watch TV. It's a fun time for me to catch up on YouTube videos or something else that I want to watch without feeling guilty because I'm actually accomplishing something at the same time. Another thing I really like to do, which is a big time and energy saver, is to hang up most of our shirts. Some of them I will pull right out of the washing machine and hang, and most of them I will give a little time in the dryer, about 10 minutes or so, and then when they're very warm but still damp, I will pull them out and hang them up so that they can finish drying on this rack that's over our washing machine. This really keeps me from having to iron a lot of our shirts too, because they come out much more wrinkle-free this way. And doing this really prolongs the life of our shirts. Everything stays looking new a lot longer. This last load that I'm putting in are the delicates, and once they are ready, I will hang them on a drying rack that I set up here in the laundry room. Once I've taken out all of the shirts, I will just put the rest of the clothes back in the dryer to finish drying. I think that hanging up our shirts really saves me a lot of time too. It's a lot easier to hang the shirts than it is to fold them, and everybody can find what they're looking for a lot easier in their closets when they're hung on hangers. Drawers don't get all tossed and messy. I just really like this system, and when I didn't have the space in my laundry room to hang things, I found other places like a shower rod or someplace like that where I could hang them. And so if you don't have this kind of space, you can find a place in your home to hang your clothes, and I think if you try it, you're really going to like it. And that is it for my laundry routine. So if you guys have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below, along with any other suggestions that you might have for future videos. You know I love hearing from you. Thank you guys for watching. If you're new, I would love to have you as a subscriber. So if you subscribe, make sure you tap that bell icon so that you're going to be notified each time I put up a new video and you won't miss anything. Thank you so much for watching today. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to leave me a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next one. Have a great week.